Hey you guys, Miss Woody here. Welcome back for another session of tips and tricks of how to draw. I'm going to show you guys today how to draw an ellipse. There's some tricky things about an ellipse that can make a project successful or lack some success. So I'm going to show you guys first that I have an ellipse right here in my hand. It's a circle, it's a lid. And from the top view, that lid looks like this. And I can just trace it to get my perfect circle. Like that. Now, that is a circle from above eye level, so that's me looking right on top of that jar, seeing that perfect circle. And here's the jar, just in case you're wondering. So as my eye slowly gets to maybe less of an eye level and sits down at the side of the jar, I'm going to see more of that ellipse at the top. And kind of lucky, I see one ellipse, 2 ellipse in this dip, and 3 ellipse right here. So I get a chance to draw 3. The more and more my eye becomes right at eye level of that jar, the tighter and tighter of that ellipse shape that you're going to see. So you're going to see that ellipse slowly get tighter and tighter right there. So that's what we're drawing right here. We have eye level right here. We have a little less of an eye level, a squinty ellipse. All right, a little bit more above eye level. We've got this pretty big oval, and it just keeps getting more and more until we get back to that. So how do you draw that? Well, that's a good question. Let's go through it. We're going to start with drawing an eye on its side. Then what we're going to do is we're going to look at that, and that's your eye level. All right, so then let's draw another one. And that right there is going to be a little bit of a squinty, slanted oval. And that eye gives us a chance to draw it symmetrical. Without that eye, we might have a tendency to draw this a little bit wrong. And if you get their edges wrong, just fix them when you're drawing. Then I'm going to draw another eye and drop my oval down a little bit. And this time I'm going to see a little bit more of that opening. Draw another eye. I'm going to draw a little bit more of that opening, slowly getting to that complete circle. And again, my hand keeps tricking me on that corner. Here's another eye right here. Let's open that even more this time, making that symmetrical. And then one last one down here. And that is going to be about it until I get to my final circle going all the way open, which I ran out of space. Now my jar, the sides of my jar, well, I would put those right there. And I can come in and draw that ellipse. So this lid itself, if I wanted to draw this lid, I could draw that eye shape. Figure out my ellipse, come in, draw the sides, and keep a parallel edge right here and right here. And what I'm doing right here is drawing that side of that jar, and this specific one is a highly reflective surface. And so you're going to see maybe a little bit of highlights and stuff bouncing all the way around. All right, and we'll talk about how to shade this stuff in a little bit. So that is how to draw an ellipse. And that concludes my video for how to draw an ellipse.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe. Bye!